So, here now. We in the bush with, bush monster.
We're in the bush.
We have two new guests. We have Hamida and Sifu. We're going to explore this part of this trail and see what we find. A short, quick, I think this is the first trip for the new year. All them other trips you see so far that start, that is from last year's trip. This is 2023 new vlog. So, where we start? Let's see, Zanji. Okay, leaving. Right, so we come across this yellow mangosteen here, or mandu. It looks sweet, but the thing not sweet at all. You see that? Very nice looking yellow. But it is not so appetizing.
Not as sour as last year.
Yeah, this thing does be like sour, like a real sour. But it's very interesting. Smells nice. Mandu.
Quick, you can start it upstairs and see how fast it started turning black.
This is Guinea. Find a big centipede walking along the ground here. Oh. Look at him. And the trick to holding these is not to get bite. That's it. Video of this nightjar right here. A hummingbird in a nest right there. A nice picture. Sorry, we just see this hummingbird in the nest. There's a hummingbird. What they do is build a nest out of moss and spider webs and put it together. Moss spider webs and sometimes twigs, and they make a soft, cozy nest. Most of the time they lay 1 to 2 eggs in the nest. The second egg is usually back up. Most of the time, one baby does survive. So, walking back. Yeah. There's a pink-toed tarantula up there, a bit too high for me. Look right there. The most common tarantula found in Trinidad, or across Trinidad, but not the largest. Almost. Down by a few centimeters. But nice. I really like them. Look at the amount of caterpillars in here. In this size compare and how much poop.
Black velvet.
Black velvet. That is a lot. Look, one over here. One here. But his brothers and sisters all just clustered up in there like a big ball of nightmares. Awesome. Like some ants. And a St. Doggin ants. Interesting. While we was walking down this road coming out to the forest, we came across this map tree frog. Now the map tree frog looks very similar and often confused with the giant tree frog. We just spot up a two there, and we can't see if we can get a picture. Yeah. Can't see if we can get a picture there. Well, we kind of failed miserably at taking a picture of them. It's right up there, but we will get a picture someday. Just watching at us. Now this trip was very interesting. I enjoyed it. We all enjoyed it. Now we didn't see as much creatures as we was expecting to see and as we wanted to see, but we did all have fun. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. It will help out a lot, and it will encourage me to make more videos like this for you all. So as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master, and until next time, blessings and bless out.